back to my YouTube channel at Yet.
Yep.
The page where you get amazing, beautiful, happy moments.
Yeah.
So guys, today I'm accompanied by my beautiful and gorgeous friend.
I'm blushing. I'm Pizza Makeover.
She's a friend so dear to me, and she's also good looking, gorgeous, and she has a YouTube channel at Pixcent Makeover.
Do check it out.
Don't forget to check her out.
We're going to be checking out Polina Gagarina singing Kukushka.
Guys, stay glued to this. I'm sure you're going to love it, and let's get started.
I'm loving the beat already. I love our outfit.
Wow. So gorgeous.
I'd love to get something like that from your hair.
Писем еще не написанных сколько? Скажи, кукушка, пробой. В городе мне жить или на выселках, камнем лежать или гореть звездой. Солнце мое, взгляни на меня. Моя ладонь превратилась в кулак. Если есть порох, дай огня. Вот так. Кто пойдет по следу одинокому? Сильнее да смелые голову сложили в поле. В бою
is so nice, guys. Can you see that? Can you see that? The voice, the emotional experience, like she was so deep to read. She was really can you feel the voice? She was in tears, like this is really a nice one. I love her outfit, I love her look, I love the way she presents herself, I love the way she give her all to the song, like just like she's just singing with experience, with passion, like she's trying to voice out all she got. This is so nice. Like, I loved it. I love the slowness of the song. I love every bit of it. This is a good one. So guys, tell me what to think about this
I think
beautiful
Kukushka
song.
is like something very dear to Russians. It's a beautiful song that they all relate to, and over a year now, it was something dear to me also, and I share in that understanding with you guys. I do love the song. I love the
Yeah,
energy. Polina Gagarina did make out something beautiful from this
yes.
music, and right here on stage, you could feel all her emotions, all her feelings, all her passion. She just poured it all out. She just felt the music. She
She voiced it
understood,
out.
yeah, she understood where she was coming from, and she
Yeah,
just gave us everything she was feeling within. And
yeah.
honestly speaking, I could not hold that in. I just had to express myself also, and I've been trying so hard to learn how to sing this song.
Yeah.
Like, I know I don't understand the language, but
But it's
with
really
music, yeah,
nice.
it's actually
Yes.
easier to sing when it's music than just saying it one by one. So I really do enjoy it, and I would love to see more of Polina Gagarina. So
Yeah.
please recommend more of her songs. We love this. We enjoyed her
This
performance right here. It was
is
so
so
good.
enjoyable. Like
Yeah.
when you most especially when you use your headsets, you
Yeah,
feel
like
the
you feel
beat.
everything, every single
The
bit of
lyrics
it.
will just be there, something that you can't get hold of.
Yeah.
So guys, tell me what you think about this amazing, beautiful video from this beautiful, gorgeous Russian lady giving all she got to
Yeah.
it. So guys, drop a comment in the comment section and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. See you in my next video. Love you.
Bye.